Let us learn together. Short I sound with I am family. Sound of I, sound of M, together called as im. A plus m equal to m. A, im, aim. Da, im, dim. Ha, im, aim. Ra, im, rim. Sa, im, sim. Let us learn list of im words once again. A, im, aim. Da, im, dim. Ha, im, him. Ra, im, rim. Sa, im, sim. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more video.